Here I'm going to show you around TradingView. I would suggest you register with TradingView. It costs nothing. They give you 3 indicators for free, but you can chart as much as you want on TradingView. You can pay for a subscription, which means you get more indicators, but it's not necessary in the beginning. So I like to use TradingView, and then I trade, well, with the apps on the phone. So I determine whether I'm going to enter a trade or not on TradingView. Okay, so I'm just going to show you more or less what you can do in TradingView so that you can just get started with charting your own charts. On the right here, you get your cryptocurrencies that you want to watch. So for instance, I've got Bitcoin, USD. This little marker over here, this little red, you can select it. I select it if I own the coin, but you can select it so that you can see which coins you have got your money in the meantime, so you can watch it more clearly. Only paid versions, you can change the color. If it's just your free version, you can only make it red. So you can determine which coins, like these are the coins I'm really going to watch, is the blue one. And then the red ones are the ones that I've got type thing. You can choose. Okay, so in the beginning, you will have a bunch of coins here, not coins, but stocks that they automatically put here. So you can just select settings. And you can say clear list there. I'm not going to clear my list because I've got all my the ones I want. So you can clear the list so that you can get your coins that you want over there. When you want to add a coin, you can just click on the plus sign, and they've got all stocks, futures, forex, crypto. So you can choose. Obviously, I'll follow a few forex or stocks, but crypto you can just select, and then you can just whatever coin you want to follow, let's say Sol, you can just say Sol, and then you can choose on which exchange you want to watch it on. So in other words, Binance exchange, or you can watch on Bitfinex. It depends on which exchange you are busy trading on or you want information from. I trade mostly on KuCoin, but I sometimes follow Binance for the bigger coins. So I've got it selected as Binance, or you just do a plus sign and it will add it to the bottom of your list. Okay, so once you've got your coins here, you can move around your screen. You just click on it and you can move it around. Okay, if you've got your wheel in the middle of your mouse, you can wheel it out and you can wheel it in depending on how zoomed you want it. You can click on the side of the price and you can move the price up depending on how long you want your candles or how fast you want to watch it. If, for instance, you want to reset, just underneath there's an auto button. So you can just click it and it automatically puts it into, so for instance, you've got it there. You can just automatically make sure it fits in the screen very nicely. Okay, now that you know how to use the auto button, you can use at the top here, you've got a trend line tool. So you can use a trend line. In other words, this one you can choose the how far you want it or where you want it. Okay, you can choose your color and you can choose your width of your line. Okay, then you've also got an arrow, so it's nice when you want to point to something. There we go, and you can obviously set the color and the thickness as well, so it's nice to put there. So you can go all the different things. Horizontal line are the ones, your support and your resistance lines. You can use the horizontal line or the horizontal ray. The horizontal ray just starts from your mouse point going to the right. So you can choose any of these. Then you've got your fib retracement tools. I'll still show you how to use those. You can use a brush, a rectangle, ellipse, highlighter. I often use a brush for like to just mark a circle, or then you've got your text, so you can add in a text, and then obviously you can also resize it, and you can change the color of the text as well. Okay, just get rid of this. Then you have your patterns, your different head and shoulder patterns, your Elliott wave patterns. Those will also show you how to use. Then you have got your long positions and short positions, and all these things will go through your price range. And then you've got all different types of pictures and stuff you can add to your charts if you want to. Okay, then you got your ruler, your measuring tool. So for instance, I want to know the percent from here to here, how much Bitcoin went up. Okay, it went up 18% since then. Then you've got your zoom in. Obviously, you can zoom in on a certain place you want to zoom in. So for instance, if you go on your daily charts, let's go to auto, see, voila, works wonderfully. And I go back and I want to say zoom in from January. And then I can just zoom in. Sorry, I went in there. Zoom in there at that point, and I can make it the 1 hour, and it will show me the 1 hour in that time period. Also go auto, use the auto. Okay, and then it will show me the time then in January where I selected. So yeah, those are a few nice little tools. And then obviously at the top, you've got your 5-minute candles, your 1 hour candles, your 4 hour daily. You can select which ones you want as your favorites. So a lot of people have the 2 hours, their favorites as well. You can even go into the seconds. Okay. Then you can obviously choose your candles, whether you want bars like that, or you want hollow candles, or you want the area. You can choose which one. We normally just stick to candles. Okay, you also got an alarm clock, set an alert. This you can only get with your paid version. So it will either send you an email or show a pop-up when you select your value that you wanted to notify you when it crosses that point. So it's nice when you're not going to be in front of your computer for a while and you're waiting for Bitcoin to drop or to go up, for your sell orders to go through or whatever. You can get an alert via email to know when to sell or buy. Okay, to add in indicators, it's this little button over here. So you can click on it and you will choose which you can add certain ones to your favorites, but just search for them. So for instance, you want the volume. Volume is a good one. You need to have volume. So you can just select volume, profile, visible age, and you'll just select it and it'll automatically add it. You're allowed 3 indicators on the free version. So I would suggest you have the RSI as well. Relative strength index. I'll explain to you what that is when we do it. And then sometimes the moving averages. Those are very good to have, moving average. So you can add those to your trading view. Okay, what's also really nice is at the bottom here, they've got a 1 day, 5 day, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, year, 1 year, and 5 year, and an all time for Bitcoin or all time chart. So it will just put them all in, if you know what I mean, sponge it up in one chart. So if you want the 5-year chart, you can just select the 5-year chart, and it's on a weekly scale. We'll automatically set it for weekly, and you can see what it's been doing in the last 5 years. So this is what Bitcoin looks over the last 5 years. So what's nice about having this now, you can draw your trend lines on a higher time frame, and this line will continue to show in all the charts from now on for the next, say, till end of 2023. So if you want to draw a big line that shows the structure of the market, you can use that 5-year chart so that you can draw a nice big line so that you don't need to keep extending it. Another nice tool to know is this little camera shot. You can take a snapshot, so you can save your chart image, copy your chart image, copy the link. So like now I share my charts with you on Telegram. I just copy the chart image or copy the link of the chart image, and then I paste it in Telegram. So it's nice when you're sharing a chart with somebody, you can just take an image of the chart and send it on Telegram or WhatsApp or whatever you have on your computer, email or whatever. That's it for now. And my next video, I will probably show you how to draw trend lines and where support and resistant lines are.